So the question is, what's the right way to structure ad groups inside an Amazon PPC campaign? There is no right way. I'm here to tell you, I'm busting the bubble. There's a right way how to do it. Right way means that it's aligning with whatever your strategy is. For a discovery campaign, as I mentioned, 5 strategies that we're applying to scale with. For a discovery campaign, it can mean that we have all 4 ad groups, for example, in sponsored product ads, and we're just letting them run and we want to see, okay, how do they perform, especially whenever we want to gather data. Right way also can be that we have, again, sponsored product ads and we want to target only close match campaigns and not running the other ad groups. That's also a right way. Right way can also be that whenever it comes down to testing creatives for sponsored brand video ads, for example, we have the one campaign adding multiple ad groups within the same campaign, and we're testing to see which creative actually performs better, and then once that we found that, we're going to pause the other ad groups. Has to be balanced with whatever the strategy is behind the campaign. And this is why I was stressing, if you know your basics, which is what is the purpose of the campaign that you're running, you will know what the right way is. Otherwise, there is not the golden key of how to do it. The reason why I'm saying that is because 5 years ago, that's what I understood. It has to be exact match campaign. It has to be 1 keyword per campaign. It has to be, what was the other belief? It has to be at least twice the multiple of the Amazon suggested bid. And it takes some humility to admit that all the tricks and tactics and whatever I learned is just so BS because people were like, this is the right way. Because you do have to seem confident in order to make an impact on someone, right? But what I've seen so far is that right way, it's really aligning with whatever the strategy is for you. Because a right way for me, it can be 5 strategies for each 5 accounts, how we're going to make sure that the structure, when it comes down to ad groups, is set up in the right way. Let me know if that answers your question.